This video shows how to use the calendar to detect and manage change collisions. A collision occurs when the same service or configuration item is related to two or more change requests, and the scheduled dates for the change requests overlap. For example, Logistics S is a business service related to these two change requests, and the scheduled dates for these change requests overlap. The calendar detects these collisions and helps you manage and resolve the potentially harmful conflicts. The change requests with collisions are outlined in red, and the number of collisions are shown next to the pills. The calendar also shows the time range between start and end dates of the tickets in collision, highlighted in red on the timeline. When you create a change request, after you enter values for the scheduled start and end dates, but before you save the change request, you can check for collisions by clicking on Check Collisions. After you save the change request, the system warns you about potential collisions in an alert banner. Click Show More to resolve the collisions. In the Change Collision window, you can see the change ID, summary, CI name, status, and the change coordinator name. Click Send an email to all change coordinators with conflicting CRQs to contact the change coordinators by email, in case you need to discuss schedules and priorities. You can click Calendar to view the collisions in a flexible calendar view. The business events and outages are also shown in the calendar along with the collisions. You can use the filter in the calendar to show the relevant business event, change, or outage. To change the status of the collisions, select the impacted change ID, or all the change IDs, and select the required option from the marked selected list. If the collision is due to dates, change the scheduled start date, end date, or both. This is how we can detect and resolve CI collisions between change requests by using the calendar. With this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful. You can also refer to the documentation available in docs.bmc.com for further product information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to BMC Docs YouTube channel.